Hey there, future tech innovators and aspiring engineers. Imagine a world where your skills power the next generation of smart devices, self-driving cars, and automated systems. Sounds exciting? Introducing the embedded Linux Kernel Internals using ARM and device. Drivers training program with EmbLogic. If you are a tech enthusiast or an aspiring engineer, this course is designed just for you. With this hands-on projects-based training program, you'll dive deep into the world of system and network programming, embedded Linux, ARM architecture, and device drivers. This program is comprehensive and hands-on, featuring 9 exciting projects that will make you industry-ready. You'll learn from experienced instructors and gain practical skills that employers are desperately seeking. Picture yourself designing smart devices and building real-world applications, from creating device drivers to mastering ARM architecture and embedded operating systems. You'll be equipped to handle any challenge for smart device design. Plus, our project-based approach ensures you'll have a solid portfolio to showcase your skills. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our successful alumni who have launched their careers in device design, embedded and IoT systems after completing this training. Ready to build the future? Visit EmbLogic's website to learn more and enroll today. Your journey to becoming an embedded systems software engineer starts here. Visit our website at www.emblogic.com or contact us for more information. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your career to the next level. Your career will be built only once.